Hey, good morning everybody, this is Cliff Repair Flamingo Power Wash. Back with a video for you guys. Today I'm out working in Tampa, Florida. We're doing a job for this customer here that reached out to me from my Google listing. We're gonna be doing a fascia cleaning, and she has like a chimney cap that I'm gonna be cleaning also. I got my boy Doug out here, my fellow YouTube subscriber. He came by to get some free training. He's gonna be starting his business soon. He's out of like around Orlando area. Just moved to Florida, so he wants to get his feet wet in the business. So I'm gonna get him set up. I got EJ with me also. Got 3 jobs on the schedule we're gonna be doing, and this is the first of 3. So let me show you what we're doing out here. All right, so what we're doing here is the roof fascia. Really dirty all across here. I got a big old cloud right there, man, out of nowhere. You got this area right here that's really dirty, as you can tell. I got EJ wetting down the wall for me in the backside, since we're doing the fascia and we're not washing the house. So we're gonna wet the wall down to make sure we don't get any streaks. And then we're gonna start applying that mix. We're gonna downstream this and get this all cleaned up. Nice and easy job. Decent ticket. I also sold them on the roof cleaning, which I'll be back next week for the roof cleaning. And I'm gonna be doing the driveway and the sidewalk. They're in the corner lot, so they got a very long sidewalk. All right, guys, we're gonna go get it now. All right, we're gonna start downstreaming the fascia. Do our first quarter round. Hopefully we ain't gotta go up there with the 12 volt. Downstream should be good enough. Let's go see. Alright guys, so the project is coming out real good. Got all the fascias done. We were here about an hour. Got the chimney cap done up there for them. Everything came out nice and clean. Hey, put some SH on that brush. We're gonna finish up this front area and we'll be done. We were here, like I said, an hour. Got one little spot right here I gotta hit along this top, and everything came out good. Check out this side here. Oh yeah, they can't be mad at all. We're gonna rinse this up and we'll be going to the next job. All right, we're all set up right here with the second job for the day. We're doing a house wash. We're still in Tampa. Driveway cleaning also. I'm gonna do the house wash, and EJ is gonna do the surface clean on the walkway, driveway, and the sidewalk. This is a corner house, a corner lot, so there's a long sidewalk along the side. So instead of charging the customer for the part that stops on his property to the side, the back of the house, I just asked him to leave me a 5-star review when we're done with the job, and he agreed. So we're gonna still do a 5-star job to get that review. You know, we're not just doing that part to get the review, we're doing the whole entire job, but we're gonna throw that in as a bonus. So let's go check the job out. All right, so we got the driveway cleaning we're gonna be doing here. Starts at the property line right over here. Dirty driveway, sidewalk. EJ setting up right now. He's gonna start doing the surface cleaning for me as I'm doing the house wash. I got Doug over here. He's gonna be starting doing the house wash with me. Train him on that. But this is the house we're doing here. Has some plants around, so before we start, we're gonna go ahead and start to water down the plants. Put a layer of protection down. and then we're gonna soap the house down. All right, so I got Doug watering down the plants so he can so we can just protect the surrounding area, you know. So customer is inside right now. He just gave me a thumbs up. He likes what we're doing with the protection wall, so we can see when the soap start coming out, it'll start turning white. I can't really spit over here, probably that's soap. All right, so we'll start from the bottom. So that's all you got. Nice layer. Yep. Just go up. Windows? Yeah, you hit windows and all. Yep. The surfactant in the window, the surfactant makes the windows not spot. So you want to hit that. You want to hit the fascia, the roof, everything. There you go. Good job. Guys, so right now we're gonna downstream 3 sides of the house. It's shaded, so I don't have to worry about the SH drying, but he does have some awnings in the front, some black awning. I didn't charge him for awning cleaning, so I'm being real careful around the awning. Make sure that I'm not leaving the clean streaks on there, so we rinse them down so the SH don't leave the streaks on there. Alright, Doug is doing an amazing job. EJ is doing the sidewalk. Let's go check out what EJ is doing. Alright, we got Doug rinsing down the 3 sides that we soaked already. Right now we got all the whole front done. We're gonna knock out the back. Yes sir, yes sir. Project is going real good. EJ on the surface cleaning. He already done knock out the walkway, the sidewalk from way back there all the way over here. I'm gonna put Doug on the driveway, give him some hands-on on the surface cleaning. So we just got the surface clean the driveway here, and then this little side of sidewalk, and we'll be out of here. We'll be in here 45 minutes. Project is going real well, man. Doug is a natural. He just came in and started knocking stuff out, man. This man trying to take my job. Look at him go over there. All right, guys, so we're post treating with the super sud sucker. A nice little mix that's gonna get rid of all these stains that we couldn't get off with surface cleaning. Project is done though. We're done over here. Everything looks nice and clean. Check out the sidewalk. Look at that. We're gonna pack it up after this post treatment and head to the next job. See y'all there. All right, guys, we at the third job for the day. We're working in Tampa, North Tampa. We're doing wooden fence restoration, and also we got two sides of this vinyl that the customer couldn't reach. We're going to go ahead and downstream this here and get it cleaned up for them, and also this back side right over here. We're going to knock that out. Like I said, we're doing a wooden fence back here. It's pretty old, got a lot of algae on it. I got EJ weighing down the fence and all the plants around just to make sure that we don't kill anything. So let's go check them out. All right, so this is the fence here. As you can tell, that's a newer fence from the neighbor, and this is what we're working on. A lot of trees around, so the customer told us that get as much as we can get, and whatever we can get that's like got plants all over it, just don't worry about it. So we're gonna get most of it the best we can. You wetting the fence down too? All right.
Yeah, I gotta come up here to get this one though.
Yeah, that's fine. My man out here in some damn Crocs. What are those?
Comfortable. $10.
Got my man Doug over here. So how's it going, Doug? How you liking it so far?
It's cool.
We got Doug in trouble, y'all. We got bleach on his hat. I'm sorry, man. You gonna be in the doghouse when you get home. Right now we're just applying the soap to the fence. Just downstream. So right now, this fence that's being cleaned, we're gonna follow it up with the oxalic acid, which is right in the wood. All right, guys, we all done with the job. Here's the vinyl part. Got all that green off of there, all the algae. Same thing over here on this back side. The fence, as you saw, with downstream, I mixed with about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, and we hit it with a white tip, knock all the dead organics off, and we mixed our oxalic acid up, 1 pound per gallon, and we just hit the fence, let that sit for another 15 minutes, and then we rinse that off, and I'm gonna show you guys the results. Here you go. Here's the fence. Everything's looking nice and bright. There you go. Pretty good job, I must say. Nice and easy process, man. All right, I appreciate y'all checking the videos out. I'm almost to 2,000 subscribers. I'm gonna do something nice for you guys when I get that. I did what? I did a ball valve last time. So this time I'm gonna do a gun. I'm gonna do the same one I got, the Sutner 2605 relax action gun. I'm saying, so your hands won't get all tired and fatigued. So I'm gonna give one of those away when I hit 2,000 subscribers. So y'all help me get there, and I hope you win. Until next time, I'll catch y'all. Peace.